The Unsung Heroes of Health. A deep dive into the essential world of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, though required in minuscule amounts, are the unsung heroes of our health. 1. These micronutrients are the vital cogs in the intricate machinery of the human body, orchestrating countless biochemical reactions that keep us alive, functioning, and thriving. Unlike macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, vitamins and minerals do not provide energy directly. 2. Instead, they act as essential catalysts, regulators, and structural components, enabling our bodies to utilize energy, build and repair tissues, fight off infections, and maintain overall equilibrium. This comprehensive article will delve into the fascinating world of vitamins and minerals, exploring their diverse roles, dietary sources, potential deficiencies, and the crucial impact they have on our well-being. The defining characteristics: organic versus inorganic. Vitamins are organic compounds, meaning they contain carbon and are typically derived from living organisms. 3. They are often fragile and can be broken down by heat, light, or chemical processes. 4. Minerals, on the other hand, are inorganic elements found in the Earth's crust and are much more stable. 5. They are absorbed by plants from the soil and subsequently consumed by animals and humans. 6. The vitamin pantheon, a diverse family. Vitamins are broadly classified into two categories based on their solubility. 7. Water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins dissolve in water and are not stored in the body to a significant extent. 8. Excess amounts are typically excreted in urine, making it necessary to consume them regularly through diet. 9. The water-soluble vitamins include the B-complex vitamins: thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folate, B9, and cobalamin 10, B12, and vitamin C. 11. B-complex vitamins. This group plays a crucial role in energy metabolism, helping the body convert food into usable energy. 12. They are also involved in nerve function, red blood cell formation, and DNA synthesis. Each B vitamin has specific functions. Thiamine, B1, essential for carbohydrate metabolism and nerve function. 13. Riboflavin, B2, involved in energy production and cell growth. 14. Niacin, B3, plays a role in energy metabolism, nerve function, and skin health. 15. Pantothenic acid, B5, involved in the synthesis of hormones and cholesterol. 16. Pyridoxine, B6, crucial for protein metabolism, brain development, and immune function. 17. Biotin, B7, involved in carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. 18. Folate, B9, 19, essential for cell division, DNA synthesis, and the prevention of neural tube defects during pregnancy. 20. Cobalamin, B12, necessary for nerve function, red blood cell formation, and DNA synthesis. 21. It is primarily found in animal products. 22. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function, collagen synthesis, iron absorption, and wound healing. Fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins dissolve in fats and oils and can be stored in the body's fatty tissues and liver. 23. Therefore, excessive intake can lead to toxicity. 24. The fat-soluble vitamins include vitamins A, D, E, and K. 25. Vitamin A, retinol, beta-carotene, essential for vision, immune function, cell growth, and skin health. 26. Beta-carotene, found in plant-based foods, can be converted into vitamin A in the body. 27. Vitamin D, cholecalciferol, ergocalciferol, crucial for calcium absorption, bone health, immune function, and cell growth. The body can synthesize vitamin D when skin is exposed to sunlight. 28. Vitamin E, tocopherols, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. 29. It also plays a role in immune function and blood clotting. 30. Vitamin K31, phylloquinone, menaquinone, essential for blood clotting and bone health. 32. The mineral kingdom, essential elements for life. Minerals are inorganic elements that the body needs for various structural and functional roles. 33. They are broadly classified into two categories based on the amount needed by the body. Macrominerals. These are needed in larger amounts, more than 100 milligrams per day. They include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, and sulfur. Calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth, muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood clotting. 34. Phosphorus, works with calcium to build and maintain bones and teeth. 35. It is also involved in energy production and DNA synthesis. Magnesium, involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. 3637. Sodium, plays a crucial role in fluid balance, nerve impulse transmission, and muscle contraction. 38. Potassium, essential for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions, including the heartbeat. 39. Chloride, works with sodium to maintain fluid balance and is a component of stomach acid. 40. Sulfur, a component of some amino acids and vitamins, playing a role in protein structure. 41. Trace minerals. These are needed in smaller amounts, less than 100 milligrams per day. 42. They include iron, manganese, copper, iodine, zinc, fluoride, selenium, molybdenum, and chromium. Iron, essential for the transport of oxygen in red blood cells, hemoglobin, and energy production. 43. Manganese, involved in bone formation, metabolism, and antioxidant defense. Copper, plays a role in iron metabolism, nerve function, and immune function. 44. Iodine, essential for the production of thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism. 45. Zinc. Crucial for immune function, wound healing, protein synthesis, and DNA synthesis. 46. Fluoride. Helps strengthen tooth enamel and prevent tooth decay. Selenium. An antioxidant that supports thyroid function and immune health. 47. Molybdenum. Involved in the metabolism of sulfur-containing amino acids. 48. Chromium. May play a role in blood sugar control. 49. The symphony of functions. How vitamins and minerals work together. Vitamins and minerals rarely work in isolation. They often interact synergistically, meaning their combined effect is greater than the sum of their individual effects. 50. For example, vitamin D enhances the absorption of calcium, and vitamin C improves the absorption of iron. 51. Similarly, B vitamins often work together in metabolic pathways. 52. This intricate interplay highlights the importance of consuming a balanced diet that provides a wide array of these essential nutrients. Dietary sources. Fueling your body with micronutrients. A diverse and balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the cornerstone of obtaining adequate vitamins and minerals. 53. Fruits and vegetables. Excellent sources of many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 54. The color of fruits and vegetables often indicates the types of vitamins and minerals they contain. Whole grains provide B vitamins, iron, zinc, and fiber. 55. Lean proteins, meat, poultry, fish, legumes, tofu. 56. Good sources of B vitamins, iron, zinc, and other minerals. Fatty fish is rich in vitamin D. 57. Dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, and fortified plant-based alternatives provide calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12.58. Nuts and seeds offer vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and other minerals. 59. The shadow of deficiency. Consequences of inadequate intake. Insufficient intake of vitamins and minerals can lead to a range of deficiency disorders, affecting various bodily functions. 60. The severity of these disorders can vary depending on the degree and duration of the deficiency. Some examples include: vitamin D deficiency can lead to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults, characterized by weak and brittle bones. 6162. Iron deficiency can cause anemia, leading to fatigue, weakness, and impaired cognitive function. 63. Vitamin C deficiency can result in scurvy, characterized by bleeding gums, fatigue, and impaired wound healing. 64. Folate deficiency during pregnancy can increase the risk of neural tube defects in the baby. 65. Iodine deficiency can lead to goiter, enlargement of the thyroid gland, and impaired cognitive development. 66. The question of supplementation. When is it necessary? While obtaining vitamins and minerals primarily through a balanced diet is ideal, certain individuals may benefit from supplementation. These include pregnant and breastfeeding women may need extra folate, iron, and other nutrients. 67. Older adults may have difficulty absorbing certain nutrients, such as vitamin B12 and vitamin D. 68. Vegans and vegetarians may need to supplement with vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. 69. Individuals with certain medical conditions. Some medical conditions can impair nutrient absorption or increase nutrient needs. 70. Individuals with restricted diets. Those with allergies, intolerances, or specific dietary restrictions may need supplementation to ensure adequate intake. 71. Individuals living in areas with limited sunlight exposure may need vitamin D supplementation. It is crucial to consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting any vitamin or mineral supplements. They can assess your individual needs and recommend appropriate dosages. Taking excessive amounts of certain vitamins and minerals, particularly fat-soluble vitamins, can lead to toxicity and adverse health effects. 72. The future of micronutrient research, unveiling further insights. The field of micronutrient research is constantly evolving, with ongoing studies exploring the intricate roles of vitamins and minerals in health and disease prevention. Researchers are investigating the optimal intake levels for various populations, the bioavailability of different forms of micronutrients, and the potential therapeutic applications of vitamins and minerals in managing chronic conditions. Conclusion: embracing the power of micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals are indispensable for maintaining optimal health and well-being. These tiny but mighty nutrients orchestrate a vast array of bodily functions, from energy production and immune defense to bone health and cognitive function. By prioritizing a diverse and balanced diet rich in nutrient-dense foods, we can ensure that our bodies receive the essential vitamins and minerals they need to thrive. While supplementation may be necessary in certain circumstances, it is crucial to seek professional guidance to avoid potential risks. Understanding the vital roles of vitamins and minerals empowers us to make informed dietary choices and embrace the profound impact these unsung heroes have on our lives.